Doesn't sound like a drill.
Sounds like the real thing. We should move out.
It's go time, right?
Yeah, grab your gear.
What is that?
Come on! Let's do this!
Hey guys, Richard from WELSHYTECH. This is my first impressions playing Rage 2 on the PC. Whoa! Ow. Whoa. Whoa.
Walker! We need you in the courtyard! Now!
We're on our way. Got Lily too.
Jersey's been deployed to warn the other settlement. They gotta know.
I guess this is big then.
Just snapped it on the comm box. This is the biggest attack they've ever seen. I'm serious.
Then let's go. You're gonna go earn us a glory ribbon.
Whoa! Fuck!
Mom is expecting us at the courtyard. That's where the fighting is thickest.
It's all up to me now. Taking that on.
You're good.
Lily! I need you in the garage! Walker, get your ass to the courtyard!
Guess I go alone. On my way.
Hey, Walker. Sergeant's mom needs you at the courtyard. Get going. Look out, the gunners! How'd they do that? This is it, man!
Mom really tried to keep you out of that armor as long as she could. Wonder why.
Getting jealous, Lily?
Damn right I am. I would have been the youngest ranger to ever get sworn in, if not for this bullshit nanotrite crap.
Alright.
Walker, what's keeping you? Get over here!
Hold on. Walker's inbound.
You remember what they told us at the academy about the ranger armors? You can overdrive when it's charged. Cut your enemies to pieces.
Oh, blimey.
Fix that jam! Stack! I need tracer fire! Get the wounded out of the... Can't be!
Son of a...
Oh, God. Wow.
Let's see if we can jumpstart this. Clear.
Wait!
Whoa. Well, considering so far, it seems to be good, to be honest. I like the style. It's really like Crisis a little bit.
I hope
Like
you got
they're trying to
something for
copy
me,
Crisis,
Crowley.
but I mean, whoa.
Intruder. This is Presidio Security Protocol. State your name, rank, and business.
Wall Rat Unit, Corporal Walker. I'm here to find information about Ranger Unit Sergeant Erwina Crowley.
Processing. Security Protocol override.
Walker, if you're seeing this message, it means we've been hit harder than ever before. I'm likely dead, and Vineland is laid to ruin. It also means that you're the only living ring.
Now, let's see what kind of surprise you got. Pour me here, Ghost Crowley. She might be dead, but she's still calling the shots.
Please approach for security scanning. Security scanning complete. Welcome to ARG.
Well, guys, this is my
401A.
overview of Rage 2. Considering that I've never played it before, my first
I just
impressions
stick my
are
hand
quite
into this strange hole and hope for the best.
impressive. I mean, the storyline seems okay, similar to Crisis, but yeah. And considering again, this game it was free on Epic Store a while back.
Welcome to the
I consider
simulation
you
chamber.
getting it. This is
In here, you
my
will be able
overview
to gain
of Rage
proficiency
2.
in
This
the
is
use
Richard
of
from
your arc
WELSHYTECH. I hope you
weapons
enjoyed.
and
Don't forget to
any
subscribe to the
ID
channel. Goodbye.